In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an appointment scheduling website using Acuity. We'll walk through each step in the process so you can get your website up and running in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in. First, we'll start by heading over to the Acuity scheduling website. This is the foundation for everything we're going to build today. Once you're there, find and click on the login option. If you've already set up an account, great. You can proceed to enter your email address and hit next. For those of you who prefer a quicker method, you can take advantage of Google for a seamless login without entering a password. Simply click on Continue with Google and selecting your Google account. This will get you into your Acuity dashboard in no time. Now that you're logged in, we're ready to move to the core functionalities. Click on Create Appointment Types. This is where you define what services you're offering. Take your time to customize the details of each appointment type, including the duration, description, and pricing. It's essential to get the details right as they'll directly affect how your clients book their appointments with you. When you're satisfied with your settings, hit Create Appointment Type to save everything you've set up. You've taken an excellent step by setting up your appointment types. Next, let's move on to setting availability. Click on Set Your Availability. This is a crucial step. Define your available hours and days to ensure clients can book appointments only when you're free. Don't forget to establish any recurring schedules or exceptions you might have. For instance, if you're unavailable for a couple of days each month, you want to set that up now. Once everything looks good, be sure to click Save. Now, let's have a look at the calendar view. Click on Calendar to check your schedule. This feature lets you view and manage your appointments and classes in day, week, or month view. This flexibility ensures that you can easily keep track of all the appointments you've set up. You're almost there. Let's move on to designing your scheduling page. Click on Design Your Scheduling Page. This step lets you customize the appearance and other scheduling page options to match your brand or personal taste. Feel free to adjust elements like color schemes and layouts for the page where clients book their appointments. Wow, what a journey we've traversed in these few minutes. You've now built a full-fledged appointment scheduling website using Acuity. Each step was crucial for your setup, from logging in to perfecting the final design. This setup will not only make scheduling easier, but will also present a professional, organized face to your clients. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to check back for more tips and tutorials on making your digital presence even stronger.